If you search in incognito mode and you are thinking that it's history not saved, then you are wrong because the history of incognito mode is also saved and can be checked. In this video, I will show you how to check incognito history and delete it permanently. First, we go to Chrome browser and open new incognito window. First, I do some search in incognito mode. For example, animal pictures. After that, we will check the history, then we will not found the history option here. But the history has been saved. Let's know how to check it and how to delete it. Go to search bar and type here CMD. Click on command prompt. First, let's see how we can check it. Enter the command ipconfig /display DNS. Press enter. Here you can see what you searched in incognito mode has appeared here. Now, how to delete it? For this, you should enter the command ipconfig /dns. Press enter. Here you can read successfully flushed the DNS. This way you can check history of incognito mode and delete it. Thank you so much for watching.